Hey everyone, just wanted to do a quick tutorial on how to get someone's Minecraft skin from Mine-Imator. It's much easier than you might think, so hopefully this will help someone out there do that. You can do this from either a new project or an existing project, up to you. The important thing is that when you do the new project, you just have to make sure you know where the folder is that you're saving. So I'm going to go ahead and hit YT skin tutorial and go from there. You can see here I've got no players in here, and actually I'm going to go down here and I'm going to open up that folder here, and you can see here nothing's there. It is, YT skin tutorial, nothing here. But let's go ahead and add someone to the project. So you click the workbench, you click on this person, and you need to, only thing you need to worry about here is whether you need Steve or an Alex. So I'm going to pick Alex because I'm going to grab an amazing person. Actually, I'm going to pick Steve because I'm going to pick an actually different amazing person here. This is going to be BlindKubsy. Boom. If you are not following Mr. BlindKubsy on all the socials and YouTube and whatnot, you are missing out. He's an amazing artist, an amazing Minecrafter. Please go ahead and get his stuff there. It should be in the video description. And here he is. There's Mr. Kubsy. He's placed. And guys, that's it. So I'm gonna go back here to that folder. Here is that BlindKubsy skin. We double click on it, and there's the file. That is literally all you need to do. So you place someone in there, make sure you know where the folder is that you're saving to it, go to that folder, and there is there it is. That's it. Sorry, I'm stumbling, but you know what? I'm done. Have a great day, and hopefully you found this useful. If you did, please give me a subscribe, please give me a like, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.